Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes of the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So let's go to the dialer for it. And now let's start with the project menu. So star, star. So now we are in the project menu and we have we can change some background settings, or you can check it up. The USB port settings now. Then some video informations, the version info, many interesting facts about your phone, other infos. Okay, you can make a factory reset, no? And you can check the battery charge. So battery level 42, the temperature is at 32 degrees and it seems to be good. And you can make a software upgrade, as you can do many things here. Okay, let's go back and maybe to the next step about phone. Star hash 0000 and hash star. So now we're in the about phone menu. We have the model, the build number, the hardware version, the email numbers of the phone. So it's interesting stuff. And now we come to another one, to the testing. It is star hash 6130 hash star. Okay, now we have in the testing mode we have some informations about the phone, and we can choose the SIM card. Let's choose the first one. So I give you some information actually about, you can make a ping test with your phone. And let's go back one more. You have a usage statistic, all the stuff you have ever used, all the programs here like contacts or Google. So you can check when you have used it for the first time, and so you will see here when you have used it for the last time and how long you have used it. And everywhere you see the 1st January of 1970, so it means that is absolutely brand new. So you can see the package installer I've used the last time on March the 7th in 2018. Okay, interesting stats. Go back, you can see this also with the other apps. And then we have also some Wi-Fi information here. And yeah, then you can here disable the network, disconnect, and so on. Don't click too much here because it's just to check something, but sometimes you can make also some upgrades or some other stuff. You can maybe then maybe you cannot enter your phone after again, so be carefully in that menu if you want to reset something. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and maybe show you something interesting. So check out your phone a bit. I think it's nice. If you want to see some other stuff of the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, maybe you can follow another video. I will show you one here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Maybe you can give me a nice comment or leave me some stuff. It's very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.